Hello everyone, welcome back. It's Monday, 22nd June 2020. Year 2 Maths. Today in time we're going to look at hours and days. Pause the video and please make sure you have your workbook and a pencil. Please download the worksheets from class charts or email. Write the short date at the top of the page, 22.6.20. Write the LI to convert minutes to hours and minutes. Once you have finished your work, please send a photo of your work at year2@grange.harrow.sch.uk. Right, let's look at the key vocabulary first. Please repeat after me. Hours, day, minutes, seconds, o'clock, midnight, morning, afternoon, and evening. Okay, please pause the video and make sure you have downloaded your worksheets from class charts or email. This is the first activity we're going to do on your worksheets. If you haven't got that, you can do it in your workbooks. Right, what you're going to do is, starting from midnight, show every hour on the clock. So you got your clock faces here for a full day. So I'm going to start you off from midnight. So you've got 12 o'clock midnight, and now you draw every hour till the end. Right, and then you'll know how many hours there are in a day. So there are how many hours in a day? Please find out. Okay, use a clock to show how many minutes there are in 1 hour. My arrow is showing you how many minutes there are in 1 hour, so you can figure that out and write down. And this is just for your information. Can you find out 1 minute equals how many seconds? Okay, let's look at these sentences. So there are how many hours? That's right, 24 hours in a day. There are 60 minutes in an hour. And just for your information, did you find out how many seconds? Yes, that's right, 60 seconds in a minute. Okay, if we start at midnight, what is the next hour? Let's remind ourselves, what is midnight? Midnight is 12 o'clock in the middle of the night. It's actually when the new day starts. This is when we are all fast asleep in bed. So we are looking for what is the next hour. So remember, your minute hand will go all the way around, and your hour hand will go to the next hour. So it's 1 o'clock. Now, do we know whether it's in the morning or afternoon? Well, as I said, that this is when actually the new day starts. So it's going to be 1 o'clock in the morning. Okay, if it is 12 o'clock noon, is the next hour in the afternoon or the evening? So remember, 12 o'clock is in the middle of the day. It's, if we remember quite well, it's our lunch time. And remember, so as we say, it's noon. So remember, it's after noon has struck. So the next hour will be in the afternoon. Okay, what we're doing here is converting hours and minutes to just minutes. So what we're going to look at over here is we're going to look at 1 hour and 10 minutes, and we're going to convert it to just minutes. So we know that 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So you can see my arrow. So as we know, this is my starting point, and we're counting in fives going all the way around to 60. So please count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So we have got that, but we need to find out 1 hour and 10 minutes. So we've got 10 minutes that we need to add on. So we need to add 10 minutes to 60 minutes. So as you can see, so let's, again, looking at this because our minute hand has come here. So we're going to add on another 10 minutes. So that's 65 and 70. So 60 plus 10 minutes equals 70 minutes. So 1 hour and 10 minutes equals 70 minutes. Right, now let's look at 1 hour and 30 minutes. We know that 1 hour equals 60 minutes, and we need to add on another 30 minutes. So we need to add 30 minutes to 60 minutes. So let's count from 60, we're adding on, so 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. So 60 minutes plus 30 minutes equals 90 minutes. So 1 hour and 30 minutes equals 90 minutes. Right, match the converted times. Please pause the video here and either you can do it on your worksheets or in your workbooks. Please have a go at it. Right, let's have a look. So 1 hour and 5 minutes is 65 minutes. 1 hour and 20 minutes is 80 minutes. And 1 hour and 10 minutes is 70 minutes. If you got that, well done. Right, can you complete these sentences? So what you need to do is convert the hours and minutes to just minutes. Please use your clocks to find out how many minutes are there for these hours and minutes. Please have a go at it. Right, let's have a look. So 1 hour and 15 minutes equals 75 minutes. 1 hour and 50 minutes equals 110 minutes. 1 hour and 25 minutes equals 85 minutes, and 1 hour and 35 minutes equals 95 minutes. If you got that, well done. Okay, what we're doing now is we're converting minutes to hours and minutes. So what we remind ourselves, 60 minutes equals 1 hour. So what we're doing is we're going to convert this 75 minutes into hours and minutes. So we know that 60 minutes equals 1 whole hour, and we need to find out how many more minutes are there to get to 75. So we already got to 60, we need to count on 65, 70, and 75. So we've got 1 hour plus 15 minutes, which equals, so 75 minutes equals 1 hour and 15 minutes. So it's 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay, now we are going to be converting this 130 minutes in hours and minutes. So we know that 60 minutes equals 1 hour. What does 120 minutes equal? So what we're going to do is we need to count on to see if we can get to 120. So let's count on. So that's 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120. So we have gone round another hour. So 120 minutes is equal to 2 hours. I mean 60 minutes plus 60 minutes is 120 minutes, which is 2 hours, because we've gone 2 full circles, is 2 hours. But we're going to still carry on counting. So let's start from here again. 125 and 130. So 130 minutes equals 2 hours and 10 minutes. Okay, what we're going to do again, in your workbooks or on your worksheets, can you please match the converted times? Now this time, you're matching the minutes to hours and minutes. Please have a go at it. Right, let's have a look. So 90 minutes is 1 hour and 30 minutes. 105 minutes is 1 hour and 45 minutes. And 100 minutes is 1 hour and 40 minutes. If you got that, well done. Okay, complete the sentences here. And remember, you have got your minutes on this side and you need to write down how many hours and minutes they are. Off you go. Right, let's have a look. So 90 minutes equals 1 hour and 30 minutes. 70 minutes equals 1 hour and 10 minutes. 125 minutes equals 2 hours and 5 minutes. 140 minutes equals 2 hours and 20 minutes. If you got that, well done. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to use greater than, less than, or equal signs to compare the times. So 1 hour and 15 minutes, is it greater than, less than, or equal to 70 minutes? 90 minutes, is it greater than, less than, or equal to 1 hour and 30 minutes? 3 hours and 25 minutes, is it greater than, less than, or equal to 210 minutes? Please have a go at it. Right, let's have a look. So 1 hour and 15 minutes is greater than 70 minutes because 1 hour and 15 minutes is actually 75 minutes. So 75 minutes is greater than 70 minutes. 90 minutes is the same as 1 hour and 30 minutes, so it's equal. Now 3 hours and 25 minutes is less than 210 minutes because 3 hours and 25 minutes is the same as 205 minutes. So 205 minutes is less than 210 minutes. Right, now I have got some reasoning questions here. Please have a go at it in your workbooks. Here's Malachi. Now what he's saying is there must be 12 hours in a day because we start from midnight and go up to 12 o'clock, then start again from 1. Do you agree with Malachi and explain why? Right, let's have a look. So Malachi is incorrect because there are 12 hours in a morning and 12 hours in an afternoon. So therefore, equaling 24 hours in a day. Okay, let's look at the next reasoning question. Tia's here. If you are looking at a clock and adding 5 hours on, the minutes do not change. Is Tia correct? Please prove it. Right, let's have a look. Tia is correct. The hour hand will change, but the minutes will stay the same. Okay, let's have a look at this question here. Now, Zach and Essen have found 2 different methods for working out how many hours are in a day. So, Zach has counted as, I counted in 2s for every hour of the day. And Essen says, I did 12 plus 12. To explain why Zach and Essen chose the methods they did, whose method is most efficient and why? Please have a go at it. Right, let's have a look. So, Zach knows there are 2 of each hour from 1 to 12 in a day, so he has counted each hour twice into. Whereas Essen knows there are 12 hours in the morning and 12 hours in the afternoon, so she's just done 12 plus 12, which equals 24. So we can say that Essen's method is more efficient because it is quicker and there is less opportunity for error. Right, this is the last reasoning question. The day starts at 12 o'clock and ends at 12 o'clock. Here are Rose's calculation for working out how many hours there are in a day. She counted them up and there are 25 hours in a day. What mistake has Rosie made? Please have a go at it and spot the mistake. Right, let's have a look. So Rosie has counted 12 o'clock 3 times. The final 12 on her list is the start of the next day. Okay, please pause the video here and make sure you have downloaded the worksheets from class charts or email, and please complete the rest of the activity. This is what the rest of the activities look like. So match the bars to the times, and there's the activities here, and there's duration in minutes here, and what you need to do is convert these minutes into hours and minutes. So find out what the duration in hours and minutes are for each of these activities. Once you have finished your work, please send a photo of your work at year2@grange.harrow.sch.uk. See you tomorrow. Bye.